Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my watercolor painting lessons about 3D art. How to paint water drops with watercolor. Hope you'll enjoy it and please watch my full video. Hello beginners. At first I drawn 3 round circle of water droplets. 3 different size. One is big, medium and a small. And before paint I am wetting the paper where I want to paint the first layer. Little space I left dry because I need their highlights, so I am not coloring there, and do it very carefully because don't waste your roundness of water drops. And this color is I am using sap green with gambuz hui mixture, and it's a greeny effect. This is the medium where the water drops stand, so maybe it's a big leaf or something else green. And now I'm coloring with Vardian hui mixture with Persian blue, a very beautiful greeny look. So I'm doing it wet in wet because it's a first layer and the main background this is. And you saw where I did not paint, I left the paper white because I need there the highlight because the reflection of light on water droplets. I have to show that later. So this is the first layer, you can say, and maybe I have done it, and now it's dry, and now I am waiting again in the circle only on water drops. And now I am making a deep color with Persian blue, Vardian hui and Pansina. And one side I am painting very carefully. You need the round shape. The dark because there is the shadow of water drop, so this is dark, and middle I am doing little lighter, then other side, and below the reflection of light, so it's highlight with white because sunlight on water reflection white. Okay, and this is the big water droplets. Okay, it's done, and I will do the same technique on the middle one and same on the small one. So beginners, hope you understand how to do it and its look realistic, and it would be more realistic when the shadow after the creating water drops I will create shadow where the opposite side, and it will pop out your water drops. So please watch the full video. Hope you will enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.